Bakit sa tuwing nagkakaroon ng problema sa team or meron kailangang abutin ng mga deadlines, bakit parang pag nagpapamiting ka, parang ikaw lang yung seryoso, ikaw lang yung excited na matapos yung trabaho or maabot yung mga goals natin. I have a couple of minutes before mag-full on ako sa tea break mode ko. So, one of the biggest problems na makaka-relate ang lahat ng leaders is bakit sa tuwing nagkakaroon ng problema sa team or meron kailangang abutin ng mga deadlines, abutin ng mga results, bakit parang pag nagpapamiting ka, parang ikaw lang yung seryoso, ikaw lang yung excited na matapos yung trabaho or maabot yung mga goals natin. And it could be very painful for a leader to realize na bakit parang walang suporta. Now, you're already in that situation. What I can give you is a tip, the number one tip that can really help you reframe yung sitwasyon mo and hopefully will put you in a trajectory na magkaroon ng resolution yung problemang yan. And one is for you to really examine, no, yung buong pusong pagninilay-nilay. Balik tayo sa pagiging introspective. Kung meron ba talagang trust sa team nyo? Meron bang trust yung mga tao mo sa'yo? And more importantly, may trust ka ba sa mga tao mo? Kasi kung wala yan, talagang mahihirapan ka at mahihirapan lahat ng miyembro ng team mo. Isipin mo, pag may problema at kailangan nating hanapin kung ano yung punot dulo para masolusyonan, people will feel or even think that you are out to get them. Na parang namimersonal ka, baka nagpa-power trip ka, kasi nga, they do not trust you to have their best interests in mind. Next, sa kabilang side ng equation naman, ikaw, when your people are not as supportive or not as enthusiastic as you want them to be, you might be misunderstanding them kasi baka may mga pinagdadaanan din sila. Kasi remember, they also have their lives outside of work. So you might think that they are also out to get you kasi magkakaroon lang ng gantihan yan eh. And if that is what's happening in your team, talagang magiging toxic yung inyong environment. And then, nagtataka pa tayo, bakit parang lahat ng tao walang tiwala sa management? They're saying, management is out to exploit them. Inaabuso lang sila. And then, the company doesn't care about their mental health, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, sa kabilang side ng equation, how about us? How do we really think about our people? Pag wala kasing trust, everything goes out of the window. Wala nang support, wala na yung malasakit, and so we become just people who are there to earn our source of income. 15-30 lang talaga ang tingin natin sa mga kumpanya natin. And that, my friends, is one of the most important thing you need to realize. And then, from there, you can do something about it na. Okay? So, yan lang muna. At matatapos na yung break ko. Balik na muna ako sa pagtsatsa ako. And then, I'll see you in our next episodes. So, make sure to follow us para wala kang ma-miss na video that can really help you improve your results as a leader and improve business results in general. And pakipasa na rin dun sa tingin mo na matutulungan sa mga content namin.